have to move our stuff in now. Let's get started. First, I'll broom the floors before we move our stuff in. Honey, are you done brooming? Yeah. Mommy, I want to help you move in the furniture. Sure, come on, honey. Yep, this is going to take some hard power. Ugh, this is so heavy. Let's set it down right here. Mommy really knows how to decorate. Yeah. Kim, I'm gonna play soccer. Wee! 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 I'm gonna be in so much trouble. Yes, you are. I'm gonna be in trouble. Watch, I'm gonna go call Mommy. Mommy. Yes, sweetheart? Chelsea? Actually, I'm going to tell you when I get up there. So, can you please come with me? Okay, but why? I just want to show you something. Just come for a second. Okay. All right. What did you do this time, Chelsea? What? Chelsea, can you explain to me? Sorry, Mommy. I was just playing soccer and then I accidentally hit the TV. It's okay. Just be careful next time, okay? Okay. It's okay. I'll just call Dad to buy a new TV on his way home. Thanks, Mommy. Yay, we got a new TV. Yup, we sure did. Thanks for watching and please subscribe and don't forget to like.